Good morning student and welcome online classes, and this is a mathematics class. So we have to start this class with the help of my last question of exercise 13.2, and today I also explain the exercise 13.3 and also some contents related with this exercise. Before starting this video, I have to say something. Okay, take care your health and also take all the precautions for the COVID. And students of class B, I have to say something. That you are not sending your attendance in the attendance group. So everyone students are sent the attendance in the attendance group before the 10 p.m. Okay, every day you have to send these attendance on the daily basis. You have to send, okay, and before the 10 p.m. And also, if any type of query you have related with the video or anything else that you want to ask me, then you have to contact me. I will reply you. I will reply your query and also solve your problem as soon as possible, which I have to do. Okay, so today I have to start this video with the help of my first question, and question is you have to see this question on your screen, and also you take your book and then you have to read this question. So question is, in the figure you see the frame of a lampshade. It is to be covered with a decorated clothes. The frame has a base diameter of 20 centimeter and the height of 30 centimeter. A margin of 2.5 centimeter is to be given for folding it over the top and the bottom of the frame. Find how much cloth is required for covering the lamp shade. Are you understand what the question is says? Okay, so here you very well know the lampshade is given there. You have to see, first of all, this is your lampshade. Okay, and in this lampshade the dimension is given, and the here the dimension is, you very well know, the diameter is 20 centimeter and the height is 30 centimeter. So this lampshade is in the form of a cylinder. You very well know this is a form of a cylinder. So this is in the form of a cylinder, and the height and the length is right here. And when the diameter is 20, then the radius, you very well know, radius is the half of a diameter. Then the radius is 10 centimeter and height is 30 centimeter is it is given in the question. Now this shade is covered with this clothes. We have to find this clothes, and this clothes is folded at the 5.2.5 centimeter at the end of a at this side and also this side. Okay, so then after, you very well know that this is in the shape of a rectangle and this is in the shape of a cylinder. So first of all you have to find the base value. This is a base of a cylinder, and first of all you have to find the base of these things, because this base converted as a length of this rectangular close. Okay, so what is the form of this base? You very well know this is a form of a uh, circle. You very well know, so you have to find the circumference of the base of the frame, and this is in the form of circle. So what is the formula of a circle? You very well know, 2 pi r, and put the value of r here. The value of r is 10, so you have to put the value of r here, and then after you have to calculate the circumference of a base, and that is become as the length of this close. So this is converted as the length of this close, and then after, what is the height here? You very well know the height is this. So height is 30 is there, and 2.5 is this end, in this end, and 2.5 in this end. So you have to add these things and find the total height. So total height is 35. How to find these things? 30 plus 2.5 plus 2.5, and then after this value converted into 35 centimeter. So this is the height of this rectangular close. And here you very well know the length is this and height is this. So you have to uh, put here and find these things. Okay, so you very well know what is the formula of an area of a close, that is a rectangular close. So you have to know the formula of rectangular close. The area of a close is L into B, and put the value of L and B, and then after you have to find the total close, and this is a calculation for finding the total close. Okay, so how to find this total close, you very well know. So put the value of L is 35, and L is 20 pi. Okay, and B is 35, and then after put the value of pi is 22 upon 7, and before it you have to write 35 into 20 into 22 upon 7, and cross this value 7 to cross this value with this, and then this is cutted by the 5. Okay, 5 time. So 7 5 ja 35, and this value is form in a 5 into 20 into 22, and then you have to multiply it and find the total answer, and that total answer is 2200 centimeter square. This is the total area of a close that you have used. Okay, so by this way you have to solve this question, and also students, you have to solve the next question, question number 11, with the help of these question. And before we have in the previous video we have to tell you the question number 1 to 10. All these question help to solve the question number 11. So this is your homework, you have to do yourself at your home. Clear? Now we have to tell you the next question, and next question, or we have to tell you the next exercise here. So next exercise, you very well know exercise 13.3. As you know, okay, in this video we have to explain the exercise 13.3. Before starting this exercise, I will tell you the shape. That shape is required here in this exercise. So you very here you know that the shape is cone. Okay, so cone is this is a cone, and you see, I relate these things with the normal day life example. Just see, you have to see everyone a cap that is bear by the joker, and also you also wear this type of shape cap in the birthday party. So this is a cone, that shape is a cone. And also you have to eat the cone also, that is the ice cream, cone ice cream you have to eat. So that shape is also known as a conic shape or a cone shape. Clear? So here the in the cone you very well know how many dimension is this. So dimension here is radius, height and length. Okay, that is not a length here, that is a slant height here. Okay, so here we have to start these things with the length, because first of all, when you have to read the rectangle or any type of shape, that time L is a length, you have to say L is a length. But in this shape L is known as a slant height, and H is known as the height, and R is known as the radius. Clear? So by this figure you understood the concept of a cone. If any type of query, then you have to ask me. I repeat again, this is a cone, and cone have a dimension, three dimension here. First is height, second is radius, and third is slant height. Okay, so what is the formula for finding the slant height? This is a formula, and also this is a relation between the height, radius and slant height in the cone. That is the L is equal to under root h square plus r square. And here when you have to find the curved surface area of a cone, that you have to use this formula pi r l. And also if you have to find the total surface area, then you have to use this formula pi r bracket l plus r. Clear? Now you understood which shape is calculated in this exercise. Okay, now we have to start the next question or a first question of this exercise, that is quite easy. And you learn this formula when you have to solve this exercise and this question, then after you are easily do this question. Okay, so in this question you very well know the diameter of a base of a cone is 10.5 centimeter and its slant height is this. So slant height is 10 centimeter. You have to find the curved surface area. So in this question you have the diameter and the slant height. Okay, so first of all you have to find the radius with the help of a diameter. So you have to divide this diameter with 2 and then after you have to find the radius. So you have a radius is 5.25 centimeter. And here this question is given the slant height L. So that's denoted by L. So L is equal to 10 centimeter. Then after, this is a shape, that is a cone shape, and here R is a radius, H is a height, and L is a slant height. And then after you are use or find in this question the curved surface area. So what is the formula of curved surface area? That means CSA. CSA is equal to pi RL, and you have to put the value of pi. Pi is 22 upon 7, R is 5.25 and L is 10. And you have to cut it the 5.25 with 7, then you have to find 0.75 and multiply these things and you get your answer. The answer you get 165 centimeter square. Okay, so by this way you have to solve this question easily. But before solving this exercise you have to learn all the formulas that I have to explain in this video, and also we have to explain the in my previous video. Clear? Now we have to solve the second question. Find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is 20 meter and the diameter is this. Okay, so in this question you have the slant height, is 20 meter, and also you have the diameter is 24 meter. Okay, so before starting this question, we have to tell you that you have to learn the total surface area formula. The formula is pi r bracket L plus R. Clear? Now we have to come on the solution of this question. So solution of this question is, you have L is equal to 2 21 meter and R is equal to 24 upon 2, because the diameter is 24. Then after, the what is the value of a radius? The half of a diameter is known as a radius. Then R is equal to 20 meter. And then after you have, this is a cone shape, and here the slant height is 21 meter and the radius is 12 centimeter. Then after, what is the formula? In my previous form we have to explain the formula of a total surface area is pi r bracket L plus R, and put the value of pi r L and R in this formula, just like that. 22 upon 7 and into 12 bracket L is 21, so 21 plus R means 12, and then after you have to add this thing, that is a 33, and 22 upon 7 into 12 into 33, and cross this value and find your answer. Calculate these things and find your answer. So this is your answer. Calculation you very well know. All students do the calculation properly. Okay, and now we have to tell you the next question, question number 3. Question number 3 is, curved surface area of a cone is 308 centimeter square and its length height is 14 centimeter. But in this question you have to find the radius of a base and also you have to find the total surface area of a cone. So here you have L is equal to 14 centimeter and simply you have CSA, that means curved surface area, is equal to 308 centimeter square, and you have to find in your first section R. R means radius here. Okay, so what is the formula for curved surface area? You very well know CSA is equal to pi r L, and then after you have to put the CSA. CSA is 308, pi is 22 upon 7, r is r, L is 14, and then after you have to cut down this thing, 7 to the 14, and then you have to get the answer. R is equal to 308 upon 22 into 2. How? This 22 and 2 is going there and move in the dividation form. Okay, now you have to get the value after calculate these things. You have to cut this value with the 11, 11 2 ja, and you have to cut this 308 with the 11 also, and then after you have to divide this value with the 4, and then you have to get the value of r. R is equal to 7 centimeter. Do it the calculation properly at your home, because this is a calculation help in your class 10th also and above classes, because if you are not comfortable in a calculation, then how to solve these questions. Okay, so you have to do these calculation at your home yourself, so that we have to not write here all the calculation here, because I know okay, you have to do it. Okay, now the next question is, next part is total surface area. Here it is also, you know, the formula of total surface area of a cone is pi r bracket L plus r, and put the value of r, L and pi here, just like 22 upon 7 into r is equal to 7 bracket L is equal to 14 plus 7, and then after this 7 cut by this thing, so here you found the 22 and sum of this is 21 and multiply it, then you have to find the total surface area of this shape. Clear? So now we know that all the questions you have to understood of this exercise also, and also you have to learn the formula of a cone, just like a CSA of a cone, yani ke curved surface area, and also TSA. TSA means total surface area. You have to learn it. Um, Otherwise you are not able to do these exercise. Okay, remaining question just like question number 4 you have to do yourself as your homework. Question number 5 you have to do yourself as your homework. At the ending of this video I have to remember or recall these things, everyone in the ninth B, everyone give the attendance regularly, daily basis, and also you have to give your attendance before 10 am. Okay, and thank you for watching this video.